What up, peeps? Well, you guys know all the cooking I do on the ASMOKE. But what I haven't shown you yet is how I keep my ASMOKE going 100% of the time, all the time. So stick around. We're gonna walk through the process of what I go through to make sure this bad boy always comes through for me.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and
First off, I would recommend a cover, for sure. If yours didn't come with one, I would definitely look into one, even a generic one, to always keep it covered, to keep the moisture and anything else that you can keep out of it. Holy mackerel, look at that. I'd say I let this go on just a little bit too long this time. Still got plenty of those. Always check my pellets to make sure they're not swollen and got a bunch of moisture in them, and if so, then I use the shop vac and get them out. But stick around. When I'm done, it'll look like a brand new grill. Couple things I would recommend: a plastic scraper. Doesn't have to be necessarily this one that I have left over from when I used to pull paneling off of doors and work on cars. Shop vac, or something that you can use to vacuum this out. Now also, citrus safe barbecue grill cleaner. This is like liquid gold, man. You definitely want to keep your hands on some of that. And normally I would have gloves on, but I'm out of gloves. So we'll get that nasty thing out of the way. We'll come back to it later. Woo, doggies. That looks pretty bad. Well, let's get this cleaned off and see what's next. So, I would suggest like a trash can or something. Now we're just gonna throw it in the fire pit because we'll fire it up and it'll never go away. But I use the plastic, peel off the flame, and then just use that little plastic scraper. Alright, now that we got that off, let's move on to the next step. Like I said, I put a fairly decent amount on here. And then I grab a less abrasive little scrubby. I don't know if you remember my griddle cleaning. Link for that will be right up here-ish. But that's where this orange scrubby comes from. I usually keep a pretty good stock of these. And it's a little bit more abrasive. Really, like I said, I mean, you want to just get the biggest chunks off of there. I don't know if you remember what it looked like when I first started, but then you throw a little bit on the inside, but I wouldn't do too much. Same thing with this. All right. Hey, that's a whole lot better. We all have our rough bristled grill cleaner. Citrus Grill Save. Now that we got that done, we're going to move on into the cleaning of the inside. I would say that, my friends, is a whole lot better, a whole lot cleaner. And now she's all ready. Heck, let's get this thing fired up, see what else we're going to make today, shall we? All right, peeps. So that is what I do to keep my ASMOKE going 100% of the time. I would recommend after at least 2 times, you clean out the auger quite regularly, and just kind of clean it up, man. If you keep things out of the auger and kind of keep the whole basin part of it cleaned up, man, you should never have a problem. This bad boy has been used a lot if you follow our channel. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please reach down below. And other than that, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching.